I'm going to eat all of the food out of the fridge. Okay, I've got all the food out of the fridge. Now to eat.
Later.
Ah, that was delicious.
Really, Grogar? This again? What has gotten into you? That was the food for the whole week, and you ate it all. You are so grounded until 2024. Go to your room right now.
All right, Mom.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking forward for the new video, make sure you considered subscribing to the channel. If you want a request for the new video, please, you must submit on a Google form, so I can notify you with a email that your request is going to be completed. See you in the next video.